Well, police work is risky work, but one of the most dangerous parts of the job might surprise you.
As the I-Team's Steve Shamraz discovered, the biggest danger for law enforcement has nothing to do with the gun. Steve.
Yeah, guys, when you call police, you want them rushing to you as fast as possible, lights and sirens screaming. As we found out, those moments can be dangerous for everyone. As Kenosha County Deputy Andrea Mehring remembers it, she did everything by the book.
It's about getting there, because if you don't get there, you don't do anybody any good.
September 4th, 2014, Mehring was heading north on Green Bay Road to a burglary in progress. With lights and siren, she moved slowly through every intersection.
It was a red light, make sure the intersection is clear, proceed, and then I move back over to the left.
Textbook emergency driving until she came to 60th Street. An inattentive driver comes out of nowhere.
I remember reaching down, trying to find my mic to alert my dispatch that I was just in a crash.
Go ahead.
Mike Bagan is a master driving instructor at Waukesha County Technical College. He teaches officers how to drive in emergency situations, knowing just how quickly things can go wrong.
People need to pay attention. They need to know that the green light is the offer of a right-of-way. It's not a guarantee.
As the I-Team discovered, that is something supported by hard numbers. We looked at 3 years of crash data for Milwaukee and 4 surrounding counties. Here, first responders were involved in 94 crashes while trying to get through an intersection with lights and siren activated. In most cases, civilian drivers failed to give the officer right of way.
Even with a green light, they should scan left and right to ensure it's safe to go.
But police can also make mistakes. Mistakes that can hurt them or you. In those 94 crashes, 82 people were hurt. 1 was killed. 2 of those injuries happened here on October 13th, 2015. Both a Milwaukee officer and a civilian were hurt in this crash at 20th and Chambers. A review by MPD determined the officer did not slow down at the intersection. He was suspended 1 day.
I'm looking left, looking right, looking left, make sure it's clear.
Mike Bagan could not talk specifically about the actions of any officer, but in addition to showing us standard procedure, he said failing to slow down at an intersection is wrong.
The 81-year-old was pronounced dead at an area hospital.
The one fatality happened here in West Dallas. March 26, 2014, Elroy Brzezicki was hit broadside at 80th and Lincoln. On dash camera video, Officer Michael Dobschutz appears to be in a big hurry. An analysis by the Wisconsin State Patrol shows Dobschutz not only failed to slow down, he accelerated into the intersection from 71 to 73 miles an hour just 1 second before impact. An impact so hard, it broke the recorder. So what sent that officer flying down this street at 70+ miles an hour? The day of the crash, West Dallas said it was to investigate an accident. The police call log shows at the time he crashed, Officer Dobschutz was flying to the scene where a man on a bike hit a parked car. He was not injured and just wanted the incident documented.
We're concerned about the truth.
That was West Dallas Deputy Chief Bob Fletcher the day of that crash. Now he's declining to answer questions about what happened due to the potential for litigation. In a statement, Fletcher says Officer Dobschutz was disciplined and received retraining. And Officer Dobschutz is still on the job. The family of Elroy Brzezicki did not want to be interviewed for this report. They did file a claim against the city of West Dallas shortly after his death. They never pursued it. Guys.
Thank you, Steve.